No wonder Jana Craig chose Key Glock. He possesses qualities that Kenny Rodriguez will never be able to learn. After Jana Craig's breakup, she was afraid to invest in a new relationship. However, in the latest interview, Jana Craig seemed extremely happy as she has started a new romance. Why does Jana like Key? It's because no one has noticed the qualities he has that Kenny will never acquire. First of all, Key is much more sincere about relationships than Kenny. To show his true feelings, Key held Jana's hand tightly during the interview. In contrast, Kenny always avoided physical contact with Jana on the show, and even refused to touch her body after the show ended. Secondly, Key has the quality of protecting Jana at all times, while Kenny only cares about himself. When Jana looked shy in front of the camera, Key took the initiative to block the lens for her. But when Kenny and Jana were photographed together, he never protected Jana. Instead,